As you can guess, one of our favorite ways to breathe aloha is to be with Mother Nature. I noticed on this channel that a lot of our videos tend to be interacting with Mother Earth because that is one of the most happiest places for us. So I thought, or we thought, it would be great to be able to feature to you some of our favorite things to help bring ease and grace when we're playing and working in the outdoors. So we're creating a special playlist of our favorite tools or devices, anything to help us be more efficient and have more fun in the yard, in the mala, in the garden, or as we farm. So we hope that you enjoy this playlist, and thank you for being here, and looking forward to sharing more of what we love to use and do out here in this precious, precious space.